Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Forerunner 965 to an iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled in its settings. Next, download the Garmin Connect app from the App Store if you haven't already. It's also a good idea to fully charge your Forerunner 965 before you begin the pairing process for a smooth setup. Once the app is installed, open Garmin Connect on your iPhone. Navigate to the Garmin Devices section and select Add Device to begin. On your Forerunner 965, access the Settings menu, then choose Phone and Pair Phone to put it into pairing mode. This makes your watch discoverable for your iPhone. Your iPhone should now detect your Forerunner 965. A pairing code will appear on both devices. Confirm they match to proceed. Grant any necessary permissions the Garmin Connect app requests for data synchronization. The initial sync might take a few moments as your watch transfers its data to your phone, so please be patient. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your iPhone and your Forerunner 965. Always check for the latest software updates for both the Garmin Connect app and your watch's firmware. Also, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are actively trying to connect, which can sometimes interfere with the pairing process. These steps often resolve common problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.